A cult is formed by a group of people who have unwavering faith and absolute submission towards the ideology of that group and the leader of the group. They oftentimes exhibit extreme form of behavior and activities which cut them away from the mainstream society. The leader of these cults are generally very dynamic and charismatic personalities who can influence millions of minds, demanding their absolute allegiance. These leaders are so charismatic that people oftentimes forget what they are getting into. With their enigmatic personality, they oftentimes lead these members do certain things, behave in certain ways which are extreme in nature. Any questions, doubts or queries are not encouraged. Any members, any point of time, expressing their desire to leave the group is reprimanded. They are insulted publicly and oftentimes get threatened by the members of the group. People who join this kind of cults predominantly have troubled past and find it difficult to fit into the society. This kind of cults give them a sense of belonging, a safe haven. Only after a passage of time that they realize the group has laid a trap and they have just walked right in. Now getting out of it is very difficult. Cults often are very secretive in nature, and becoming their members results into cutting themselves from the rest of the society, from family and friends. Though there are a few similarities between a cult and other interest groups and or religious groups, but the basic difference lies in the fact that cult can lead its member in doing extreme form of activities which are not approved by the mainstream society. There can be a different form of cult, a doomsday cult, which believes that with them sacrificing their own life, can they be able to save this earth. Their activities can lead the members to take away their own life. Then there are religious cults, there are sexual cults or political cults. Oftentimes when the members realize that they are a part of a trap or a group which is very dangerous, they want to come out of it, but coming out is not very easy. Oftentimes leads to difficulties. When they finally come out of it, they want to document what they have gone through. In the past, basis this ex-members documentation, many of the leaders and these groups got busted and the leaders were arrested. Subscribe my YouTube channel, press on the bell icon. I'm also present on Instagram as the Ninth Born. Follow me there.